Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset the JBL WaveFlex. So the first thing you can do is when you have to have an app. So there are two ways how to do it. You have to have an app, and when you're going to press on your JBL WaveFlex and you would scroll down below, then you are going to find the support here, and in the support you are going to have reset to factory settings, and then you would have and press reset. So this is the first way how you're going to do it and how we can reset it. Now, the second way what you can do is that how to factory reset these earbuds. Delete all JBL WaveFlex earbuds bearing information on the connected device. Take both earbuds out of charging case. So I'm going to delete it now. Look at this. I'm going to press reset. Okay, I'm going to put them here back. Now, I'm going to also turn off the Bluetooth. Then what we're going to do, take both earbuds out of the charging case. So I'm going to do that. And then press the multifunction touch button on both earbuds 2 times. So I'm going to press it 2 times. And then you want to hold it for about 5 seconds. So press it 2 times and hold it for about 5 seconds. You're going to have 2 times and hold it. And something like blinking was different. So now I'm going to put it back and you got it. So this is something that you can try. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.